Starting off this video with cleaning up the garage, getting everything ready to get some stuff done today. The AM showed up, the coil packs showed up, so that means we're gonna make a quick run to Excessive Manufacturing in Portland. Meet up with my buddy Chad who works there, and I'm gonna grab a few parts, and then we're gonna be heading back up here, getting some stuff knocked out on the car. Hopefully everything is solid. Take the car around the block 1 or 2 more last times, make sure everything looks great, no leaks. Possibly pick up a set of tires while I'm in Portland and throw them on a spare set of wheels, so that way we have 6 to 8 tires for Sunday. But hopefully this all goes as planned, get everything figured out, and unveil some new goodies to you guys. So let's jump into all of that. Oh boy. And of course, I'm an idiot and I forget the G7 and the GoPro here. So I took a little clip on the phone like you just saw. Got to see one of my buddies, Chad. I always want to say his Instagram name, @MadChires, which I'll throw in here. You guys should give him a follow. He does great work, great guy. Yeah, so we got some pieces. I obviously have the fuel pump and the coil packs, which I decided because of a full tank of gas, I'm not going to do the fuel pump today. I don't want to deal with getting that much gas everywhere. And I'm not trying to make the power yet, so that can sit. But for sure, I want to throw these in. Go ahead and set these down, and actually, oh wait, their package is crazy. Deal with that in a second. But like you guys see here, we got Link Monsoon and the Plug A Loom Kit, I believe it's called. I'm not sure. They're well, of course, fireworks going off in the background because it's almost 4th of July, which I'm hoping everybody's gonna have a great weekend and stuff like that. I'll probably be with my family and stuff, so maybe a little bit less uploads, maybe a burnout video or something like that just for the 4th for you guys. We're gonna jump outside, get the coil packs on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and, I guess I'll show you guys this. Not one to try and hide any flaws or anything like that. So all those fittings, 2 out of 3 worked great. This one would not, for the life of me, seal, and I think, to be honest, it's just, where did it actually blow out? I don't see where it blew out anywhere. That's kind of weird. I think, to be honest, it's just that the heat in the tube, trying to make sure I get it to the fitting, was just deteriorating the tube or softening the tube, and this is taking 1100 psi, so I ran to excessive when I grabbed the Link, and I got a just nice little -6 braided down to a 14 by 1.5 orb fitting for the rack side. So now that's all proper. I don't think this is gonna leak because this was a stout piece of pipe and I know the weld was good. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep bleeding this through. But before we do that, get this coil pack switched over, which means getting you guys on the head cam. When you look over and realize you have it on time lapse and not on video. So go ahead and do the simple thing, just pull all these out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get all the P2Ms. I keep saying PLM, completely different company. So the P2M coil packs, they're just OEM replacements. So I can carry these ones as spares, because you'll see on the number 2, like I said yesterday, the body's cracked. Slightly worrisome, but that one. Of course, they're all different sized 10 mils, which is hilarious. Through, and this is a pain. So, unbox and editing magic. Go ahead and get 4 back in there. 3. 2. And fireworks going crazy. I need to get CBD treats for my dogs still, and I keep forgetting. Sweet. Let's take our 4 mismatched bolts. I want to say they went in that order, and I'm going to put them back in the order they came out of because it's probably important. You're wondering why would it be important, and I'm not sure because this valve cover was pretty beat up when I got it. And I still want to do the S14 point. Ooh, that guy just knocked a grab. Ooh. Way to scare me there, feller. Wow, this one is a long boy. Oh, man, when they get loose for a second, that is just not a feeling I like. And line that guy up. I know this one is a real joy to line up sometimes. Get in here. There we go. Yes, that one is junk. I want to keep it off of my phone. No, good. Put it back down. And I do believe this one. Let's start again. Again, it just does not film that clip. Takes it all, press it, memory card error. So, to keep myself from being frustrated, look, I installed a GK Tech shifter. Look, the car idles. Oil packs made a difference. It's running a lot better. That fitting is leaking out of the rack side. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that one fitting out, not the new fittings. The problem that I initially started with was I could tell it was dripping from the return line where it threads in the rack. Someone goobered the fittings up. I'm an idiot and I should have just left it and not taken it apart, but I took it apart. So now I got to take it apart again for the 500th time, and I'm so not happy about this. But rad shifter is rad and looks like it's gonna be great. I'm gonna shut this thing off so it doesn't sit and leak more. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. Remember to like, throw a comment down making fun of me because I'm making fun of myself here. I hate this so much. Oh, car, please. I just want to drift tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday, whatever day it is. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Average Joe. It's adventure of power steering glory to make Sunday happen. I'm just fighting an endless battle here, but I think today I actually got it solved because, if you notice, the car is not out back. It's out front. And I just got a beard hair in my mouth, which was awesome. But V-bands for the Envoy. Male females, stainless from Ace Race parts. Super, super nice. I'm gonna leave all that stuff there. Got some extra towels and stuff for park. Went ahead and got an oil change, some Flex Seal foam, and some brake clean and stuff. That's all gonna be for probably tomorrow. Gonna go ahead and try and get those patches sealed up a little bit better. And I'm gonna run out there real quick now. And I got a cool little 5 centimeter, I believe, 2-inch steering wheel spacer. So I can go ahead and space off the quick release and get the wheel a little closer to myself so I'm not reaching out all the way. And go ahead and jump on that. And then go ahead and end this video with all the goodies. And a quick rip because I have an idea of, I threw that manual boost controller I had on, the excess power one, and I'm thinking with the way it was yesterday and the boost being about 10 pounds, a little less than a bar now, and it running 10.9s at AFR, the AFR range, it's a little too rich. So with the manual boost controller, I'm hoping if I add a pound or two, if it will let me go that, you know, maybe a couple more, whatever. I'm just trying to get the AFRs to lean out a little bit because at 20 pounds it was too lean. So if I can get it up to 14-ish or somewhere around there, a single bar, maybe I can actually take some of that 10.9 and turn it to, you know, a little more boost might lean it out is what I'm going for here. I'm no scientist, but that's what I think, so. So everything so far looks great. couple twists. Oh hey, some asshole doing donuts before. No, I don't know who that was. But I'm gonna try and see if I can hold you guys and do a poll here. See, 1 pound or 1 bar should be 14 pounds. Oh wow, we're going fast. Oh boy. 4th gear rips are money. But to my knowledge, everything seems fantastic. I'm gonna be a good boy and I'm gonna stop at this stop sign here. And ooh, let's add to those a little bit. See if I can film and do this one-handed. But yeah, I'm gonna do this and then check and see if I have any leaks or anything. And if I don't, I think we're pretty good. Nice coolant, nice oil pressure. Okay, let's actually get up here a little ways away from all that and get this slow down. Woo! It's a bit slow. Just a little. Get up here a ways and we'll end the video out. So with that, I've checked the car out. Everything seems great. Everything is holding good. I need to wash it because it is a dirty girl, but boy, does it look pretty. Let's go ahead and, oh, the wrap is coming off my side skirts and it still has a little bit of a grumpy idle, but none of that bothers me as long as no fluid. Oh, dude, it's dry as could be. I'm so stoked. Thank you. Oh, goes to show you guys, never give up. If you want to do something, keep this thing running here. It's just grumpy at me right now. Can't wait to throw the link in and get it going. But before I lose that thought, just shows you guys if you really want something, don't give up on it. I wasn't letting Sunday go. I was making that event regardless of anything. And look, it's now Friday. I'm gonna take this thing home, park it, do an oil change tomorrow while I have a 4th of July celebration with my family and set some fireworks off. Then, you know, nice good dinner, wake up and beat the crap out of this thing on Sunday. But with that, we're gonna leave it here. Average Joe channel. Catch you guys next time. A 240. And we look over and where's my zoom button? That's a deer in the bushes who probably didn't like me drifting. Oh, he's leaving now. Bye bye, buddy. I'll see you later, Bambi.